In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Mozilla Firefox not opening in Windows. If Mozilla Firefox won't open on your Windows computer, don't worry. This issue can happen for several reasons, including a stuck background process, a corrupted browser profile, conflicting extensions, or temporary system problems. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to get Firefox working again. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most common solutions. To begin, restart your computer. A simple restart can close any Firefox processes that may still be running in the background and clear temporary system issues that could be preventing the browser from launching. If Firefox still won't open after restarting, right-click the Windows sear bar, then select Task Manager. Look through the list of running processes for Mozilla Firefox. If you find any Firefox processes still running, select them and choose End Task. Once all Firefox processes have been closed, try opening the browser again. If the problem continues, try starting Firefox in troubleshoot mode. This mode temporarily disables extensions and hardware acceleration, making it easier to determine whether an add-on or browser setting is causing the issue. If Firefox opens successfully in troubleshoot mode, one of your extensions or custom settings is likely responsible. Another helpful step is to create a new Firefox profile using the Firefox Profile Manager. A damaged browser profile can sometimes prevent Firefox from starting normally. Creating a new profile allows you to determine whether the problem is related to your existing profile without affecting the Firefox program itself. You should also make sure Firefox is fully updated. Browser updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that resolve startup problems. If Firefox opens after one of the previous steps, check for available updates before continuing to use the browser. As a final troubleshooting step, consider repairing or reinstalling Firefox while preserving your personal data whenever possible. This can replace damaged program files without affecting your bookmarks and other important information. After completing these steps, restart your computer once more and try opening Firefox again. In most cases, one of these solutions will resolve the problem and allow the browser to start normally. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,